Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to change story height. So for example, I will create wall in here for the basic object, and you can go to the S elevation view. So this is for the elevation view, and then you can see we have the story height 3000 and then 6000. Now if you want to change, like I will set in one story into 4000, you can go to the story here, like you can right click and then go to story settings. The next you can change, like in here you can set into 4000. Also for hex to next, set into 2000 here or 4000 again. And after it you can click OK, and the story height will be changed into 4000. So you can right click in the story and then you can go to story settings to edit the story again. Okay, that's it for basic RCK tutorial how to change story height.